Welcome to Asado.
Mixtape Chef Asado.
Hi, we are Kenneth and Laureen from the Mixtape Chef. We are a supper club based in Singapore and we believe in bringing the world closer one dish at a time. As we dig deeper into the classic dishes from around the world, we only find more similarities than differences. So in late 2018, we set out on a 3.5 months foodie tour to 10 countries, which had cuisines that we were interested to learn more about. This is our journey. Subscribe to follow our adventure.
The host gave us a place to go and buy meat for tonight's barbecue. So this is the place that we are in. We're so hungry right now. Appointment, as we found out that they only sell it tomorrow. Sad face. Told us to come to this other place because he said his site is closed. And yeah, okay. Nice mini mart there. Fresh vegetables there. Hopefully they have some meat. So update again. They do not sell carne again. Sad face number 2. People is going into depression very soon. Stay tuned.
Hey people built this channel to canals that made Mendoza able to grow things even though it was a desert. And till to this day, the irrigation system is still working. Amazing.
Signs of meat. We see signs of meat. And here, we are here. Everyone is getting back his energy, being happy. Meanwhile, we see some cuties. Say hello. Hey. Say hello, cutie. Found some meat. Someone's happy. Someone's very happy. So I'm gonna have a good dinner tonight. What's up?
We're making a fire. This is a traditional Argentino parrilla. We're gonna make asado. We got some meat, we got some sausages, we got some onions to grill, and we're gonna cook tonight with some red Malbec with this amazing view. Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Not yet lah. Slow crackling fire. Glass of Malbec. And some glorious red meat. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. Enjoy yourself.
Hey, what's going on, chef?
I think it's ready and it's heavily overcooked because it's not easy to control the fire. But
Okay. What do we have here?
we have ribeye. Oh, so not bad. Still medium, huh?
Oh, well, show me. Yeah.
It may be overcooked, but the smoke flavor is a whole different dimension.
Because of the wood, right?
No fire.
Wood
Yum.
fire. Oh yeah, yo. The onions is gonna taste amazing. Show me the onions.
Oh, good.
Good.
Soft.
Oh. Yes. Oh,
delicious.
sweet. Okay.
Smoky.
It's okay. Yeah.
Barbecue. Yeah. Oh, good.
The onion.
Wow.
Oh.
Ah, didn't you guys don't enjoy life, man? This is the wow.
Really good, yeah. Okay.
Choke. overdone for sure. But I was told by the guy to cook it lento, very slowly. Okay, let's see.
Maybe that's why they cook all the meat well done.
Yes, that pork junk has flavor.
Oh no. Fatty?
Very. Yeah, good.
Morning, new day, and we're back at Meat Place because it's the last night. We're gonna have asado in our cabin, our mountain cabin, so trying our luck.
Extra, you just make the sandwich tomorrow. Cook it up. You just stir fry the meat. Huh?
Can we late check out?
Yeah,
Can?
yeah.
She said yeah.
What do you want?
The late checkout tomorrow.
You didn't check out it? Your brother didn't do the
I'm asking you.
I never asked you.
And you say yeah.
Flank steak, ribs, flank steak, ribs, and I think this is a tri-tip flank steak. No idea. The thing about paella it's very time consuming. Constantly I have to be tending the fire, putting coals in, managing the heat. Yeah, it's a whole precision for paellas. It's not an easy job. It's 100% attention. So what I learned is that you have to separate the flame from the meat. The meat only want the coals, so you have a separate fire at your side, creating the coals. So you just bring all the coals over, and that's what's gonna cook the meat. Not that huge raging fire.
BBQ level 1.0, 1.1, 2.0.
All the coals you want.
The sky is so beautiful now with the snow-capped mountains.
You know what's beautiful?
What?
Me. Where else can you get a home cooked paella?
Okay, the sky. Oh, look at that.
We are having paella in the most beautiful mountain cabin, and now we have the most beautiful sunset. Gorgeous orange hue overlooking snow-capped mountains.
Too beautiful.
Beautiful Malbec wine.
Sure, huh?
What's yours? Just block off, is it better?
Yeah. The Xiaomi managed to capture all of it.
I know.
Shall we take a photo?